Hi everyone, Deb here. I'm here with my Altenew monthly subscription kits. I get 2 each month, at least for another month I think, and then I'm going to probably pause for a while till I have a chance to use all these. They put their things in the prettiest envelopes and boxes. This is how it came this month, which I'm going to have a real hard time throwing away. I have another one down here from a previous month, just from an order. Same thing. So that's going right here. So the first one I get is the Build a Garden, and it is a stamp, die, and stencil set. And this one is Japanese anemone. I don't know how to say it. I should look that up. But it is a really beautiful flower. Look at on here. It sort of matches that envelope, right? How thoughtful. And they even give you what inks they've used, which I have most of. I'm not sure I have Honey Drizzle, but if I don't, I have something similar. Anyway, and that's just this center part here. How pretty. Okay, so the stamp set has the large flower. It has dies here to cut out the entire flower. It does not look like it cuts them out individually if you wanted to do that, but it looks easy enough that you could cut them off if you wanted to. Sending you a warm hug. Thinking of you. Sorry for the glare. Hope your day is filled with joy. Thank you. You are loved and appreciated, and happy birthday. And it has Build a Garden Japanese Anemone 2023 Altenew on it. So it's a 3-piece subscription kit. And then the other one I get is their Mini Delight, and this is a different one this time. It's called Granny Squares Layering Stamp Set. Very unique. It's got, I don't know, to me they look like abstract, what am I trying to say? Almost like ice cream cones, but they look, I think they're leaves. So very different, and they show doing this in multicolors. So I guess they use the stamp, okay. Granny Squares crocheted block, supposed to look like stitches, that can be used as a basis to create blankets, clothing, and more. This stamp set includes everything you need to stamp a 4-color granny square with realistic details. Stamp repeatedly for a seamless background and add one of the coordinating sentiments to finish your project. It is cute. It's not, I'll try it. You know, I enjoy flowers more, but it's something different. So, yeah. And it says you can either stamp hugs, or there's a die that I guess cuts it out when you stamp it, and you can cut out your square. And then I guess these are the layers inside the different colors. Yeah, small one, the next one, this one, and then the outer part. I'm really not good at 2-step stamping, so I don't know if I'll be good at this or not. We'll see. So that's the kit this time, and with the kit subscription you get a at least the Build a Garden one. I don't think with the mini you do. With the Build a Garden you get a mini blending tool. So I'm up to I think 4 now. I think something like that. I got 2, yeah, this is the 4th one. And then plus I bought some off Amazon. So anyway, that's it for this month. I don't know when I'll get to these, but sometime in the future. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day. It is Mother's Day when I'm recording this, so I'm not sure it'll go up on Mother's Day, but I hope you have had a wonderful day, wonderful weekend, and I hope you have a great week ahead. Hugs, love, and peace.